let's graph paired data. So what we're going to start with is this idea of pairing x's and y's together and show how that contributes to a graph or an understanding of what is going on. So the example we're going to use is a cannonball being launched from a cannon. So suppose we've got a cannon sitting here, and we take our cannonball and we launch it. It's going to come out and then it's going to come back down over here somewhere. And what we're interested in is just the height. So we're going to let y be the height of this cannonball as it relates to our x, which is going to be time. How high is it based on how long it's been since it launched? And this equation right here, y equals minus 20 times the quantity x minus cubed, x minus 3 squared plus 180, this relates our time, x, to our height, y. And so let's use this then. So let's rewrite. We've got y equals minus 20 times x minus 3 squared plus 180. And so what we want to do is to build some paired data. And I've already arranged for this ahead of time, but you can double check this. If we plug in 0, we get 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 squared is 9, 9 times minus 20 is minus 180, minus 180 plus 180 is 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 squared is 4, 4 times minus 20 is minus 80, minus 80 plus 180 is 100. 2 gives a minus 1 squared is 1, which is minus 20, so we get 160. 3, we get 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 squared is 0. Minus 20 is 0, so we end up with 180. 4 gets 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Oh, that's the same. 4 and 2 are the same. That's a 160. 5 ends up being the same as 1 for 100, because we end up with a 2 squared, which is 4, which gives us minus 80. And 6 gives us 9. 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 squared is 9, minus 180, minus 180 plus 180 is 0. So we're going to let our tick marks here each represent, on the height, 20, so this is 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. And our time is going to be in 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I should specify this is in seconds, and this is in feet. So our first point, we just turn this xy that we built into a point at 0, 0. So we plot at 0, 0. Then we have a point at 1, 100. So we come up here, 1, 100. 2, 160, because remember the x of 2 matched the y of 160. 3, 180. 4, 160 again. 5, 100, and 6, 0. And so we get this graph that goes like this. It goes up really, really, really fast, then it hits its high point, and it comes right back down. And so there's our graph. And we've graphed this paired data by plugging in x's, finding their matching y's, generating the point, and then plotting that.